I'm not a fashionista. I'm a very much like a girl next door.
Okay.
For me, fashion is like आप जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable हो.
Right.
That may look like a fashionista if I'm comfortable in the clothes I'm wearing. But yeah. Comfort. My style. I have phases, I have days when I want to go Western, there are days when I'm like totally Indian. So I have different phases. Mostly I'm like more on the weather.
Yeah.
If it's a sunny day, I'll wear short dresses and all, and if it's a winter day, I like neck t-shirts and hoodies and all of that. So yeah. Denims is a must for me. I love denims. I have denims in all forms, like shirts से लेके caps से लेके shoes तक. I have denims in everything, so I love denims. Apart from that, I have lots of dresses. Floral is more of my thing, like a girly kind of a thing. So that's more of it. I have lots of white because white is my favorite. I love whites, and whites make you feel so nice and fresh. And then I have Indians.
Okay.
So yeah. I have really expensive clothes. So there's this dress of mine that's do I have to say how much worth it is?
It's okay.
Yeah, so I have this, it's a traditional dress that was made by a designer from my hometown.
Okay.
So that's really costly.
Okay.
Okay, maybe I like to buy 3-4 clothes a month. Maybe I can go for a shopping spree also. It depends on my mood completely. But on an average, I like to buy 3-4 clothes every month to pamper myself and all. So yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Forever 21 is the best. It's like really comfortable. You'll find something or the other there. Another is that I like the very my style type of clothes is where I get good nice t-shirts, shirts and all of it. And yeah. And apart from that, for Indian clothes, I don't have a particular shop. I like to, go around in markets, or otherwise we buy material and then we get it stitched because that suits your body. Simple, elegant look is more of my thing.
Okay.
Okay. In clothes or anything. What I frequently use is Victoria's Secret, and yeah, that's the most used brand by me in everything. Okay, there are two fetishes. One is I have this filmy thing. So there's this movie called Dil To Pagal Hai, and I love Madhuri Dixit in it. So the kind of dresses she is wearing in that movie and the kind of look that she carries, so beautiful, and the nice jhumkas and the Indian dresses that she's wearing, chiffons and all. So that's one of the fetish that I want to, do it in my life. I want such dresses. And the other one is I have this fairy tale thing also, so I want a nice fairy tale gown in white. So yeah, that's the thing. It's this ring my mom gifted me, so it's really important. I don't know, I like it a lot and it's very pretty in the hand. That's really important for me. A earring is a must for me. A watch is a must for me, or something in the hand, like a bracelet or something that will just make your hand look filled. Yeah, so that's the thing. I don't really like to accessorize more. I can't. So yeah.
Right.
My favorite.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's this denim dangri, and yeah, so I really love it, and I don't know, I haven't worn it yet because it's weird. I love it a lot, and there's some, I don't know, there's some problem in that dangri, but I won't just give it away.
Okay.
Uh, I think shoot पे हो जाता है कभी कभी because we do it deep necks and all. But it's normal because for me it's normal because it's you know part of your body and it's okay, it happens. लड़कों के साथ भी होता है, so why not? So yeah, I'll be quite normal about it. It won't be a big fuss
Basically
for me.
with confidence, you know, there is...
Yeah, totally with
Okay,
confidence.
okay.
That would be a dress or a top. That it has to be. So yeah. I think saris would never go out of fashion because saris make a woman look beautiful and it gives shape to a woman. May she be healthy or may she be lean or whatever. It will just make that woman look so beautiful. So I think saris. One is, that's one of my favorites, is a white t-shirt and a denim jeans, or a shirt, white shirt or a denim jeans. It just goes with everything. A black dress is something must have if a person likes to wear western, because black does not make you look fat and you just, you know, you can wear it on any occasion. And I think a simple kurti and a jeans is, you know, like for Indian occasions and all. So yeah. I like Emma Watson's style. I like the way she dresses and all. And apart from that, I like Selena Gomez also and Alia Bhatt. Okay, I'm not saying about fashion, but I like Salman Khan because you know, he just carries anything off, whatever the occasion be, and he just looks awesome in everything. So that's one thing I like about Salman. I can just look at him in any dress or anything, like, you know, whatever he's wearing, t-shirts or anything. So that's one thing about Salman Khan. And I think, I don't know, the most experimental actor that I've seen with fashion is Ranveer Singh. So sometimes it's too good and sometimes it's, but yeah, Ranveer Singh.
And
Sonam Kapoor. It would be a simple dress, just a normal simple dress and some normal footwear with it, that just goes with it. And yeah, that would just make me look simple and nice and presentable. A wedding. I have lots of saris that my mom has, so I can always borrow one. So a sari would do good for a wedding. It all depends on the way you accessorize yourself also. So my kind of thing is less accessories, but yeah, I would do a nice diamond studded earrings and bracelets or bangles. That would look nice. A shirt and trousers. On a date. Well, if it's a first date or something, then
maybe it's a first date.
Then it would be some nice, beautiful evening gown or something. Yeah. Family get together would be a simple kurti and a jeans. Award show. I have gowns in my wardrobe. Is that allowed? So a simple, nice gown and you know, a nice hairstyle or something on it. Day out with friends would be denims and t-shirt. See, honestly, I'm not big of a fashion thing.
I can shop from the cheapest shop also. I can shop from the costliest shop also. I believe that whatever you wear should suit your body. It should not look ugly on you. Like you need to have that sense that what suits your body, what doesn't suit your body. Everyone has a different type of body. So I think whatever suits your body and whatever you're comfortable in should be your thing. As in, you don't have to go for really costly clothes to make yourself look good. Normal, simple, decent clothes also make you look beautiful. So yeah, whatever makes you feel beautiful. So keep watching Glitz Vision and have fun. I hope you enjoyed my segment, and thank you so much for always loving me and appreciating me. Hi, this is Meera Devasthale and you are watching me on Glitz Vision. Keep watching the channel.